Deciding with confidence. Understanding, make up one's mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're going to explore a very common but powerful phrase, make up one's mind. It's something we do every day, yet the process and the expression itself hold a lot of meaning. So, let's get into it and make up our minds to learn something new today. When we talk about making up one's mind, we're referring to the process of deciding something after considering it carefully. It's when you weigh your options, think about the pros and cons, and then come to a firm decision. This phrase emphasizes the moment of commitment to a choice, after a period of uncertainty or deliberation. To understand how this phrase is used in real life, let's look at some examples. After looking at all the colleges, I finally made up my mind and chose Harvard. She couldn't decide on a career path, but after some thought, she made up her mind to become a doctor. We've been discussing where to go on vacation for weeks. It's time to make up our minds. These examples show that making up one's mind can apply to both big life decisions and smaller, everyday choices. Context can change how we interpret making up one's mind. For instance, in a personal context, it might involve emotional considerations, while in a professional setting, logical factors might play a bigger role. Understanding the situation and the person's priorities is key to fully grasping the significance of the decision they're making. It's also helpful to know some related expressions. Decide, come to a decision, settle on something. While these can often be used interchangeably, make up one's mind specifically highlights the internal process leading to the decision. We hope this discussion has helped clarify what it means to make up one's mind, and has given you insight into how and when to use this expression. Remember, making decisions is a part of life, and being able to talk about it confidently in English is a great skill. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you make up your mind to learn more English in our next video. See you soon!